You feel like you're working harder than ever, yet the bank balance tells a different story. That tension is real, and here are 7 brutal money truths you need to accept in 2026 if you want to change it. Explained plainly, no judgment, just clarity and action. Truth 1. Your salary is not the problem. Your lifestyle is. A $70,000 salary in Ontario can feel like nothing because costs have quietly crept up. Rent, groceries, insurance, commuting, weekend dinners, these add up without asking permission. The fix isn't a lecture to gut your life. It's a clear inventory. List recurring costs, spot the sneaky ones, and decide which expenses actually serve your values. Trim slowly, not painfully. Small adjustments compound into breathing room. Truth 2. Compound interest is working against you right now. Money wasted today costs more than you think because of time. That $4 coffee every workday is $20 a week, $1,000 a year, and when you factor in lost investment growth, tens of thousands over a couple decades. Think in decades. Make small habit swaps, brew at home twice a week, cancel unused subscriptions, and funnel the savings into a simple index fund. That's how you flip compound interest from enemy to ally. Truth 3. Banks love you when you're broke, but hate you when you're rich. When your balance is thin, banks hand out credit cards and loans like candy. When you build wealth, they suddenly push complex products with hidden fees. Learn the basics: low-fee accounts, high-interest savings for emergency funds, and cheap ETFs for investing. Don't get seduced by glossy products. Read the fine print and keep your financial life simple and transparent. Truth 4. Your TFSA and RRSP are useless if you don't use them. These accounts are tools, not trophies. Having an empty TFSA or an underfunded RRSP is like owning a garden shed with no tools inside. Maximize what you can. Start with automation. Set up monthly transfers that coincide with paydays. Even small, consistent contributions grow more than sporadic large deposits. And yes, you can use a TFSA as a flexible long-term investment vehicle or an emergency buffer. Use them. Truth 5. Inflation is the silent thief. Prices creep up while your brain gets used to them. If your income doesn't rise at least 4 to 5% a year, you're effectively losing purchasing power. That means budgeting in a margin for inflation and pushing for raises or new income streams. Track your real wage, not just dollars in your bank, but what those dollars buy. Protect your purchasing power with investments that can outpace inflation over time. Truth 6. Waiting for the right time is the fastest way to stay broke. People wait for the perfect market, the perfect paycheck, or the perfect mindset. The truth: imperfect action beats perfect delay. Start small and learn as you go. Open an investment account, automate $25 a week, and watch your confidence build. The worst day to start was 5 years ago. The second best day is today. Momentum is earned by starting. Truth 7. Building wealth in Canada is still very possible, but only if you play by new rules. Old advice like save more, buy a home, hope for the best isn't enough. You need smart saving, aggressive tax optimization, and consistent investing. That means using TFSA and RRSP strategies, understanding capital gains versus income, and prioritizing low-cost investments. It also means thinking beyond traditional employment, side income, skills upgrading, and tax-efficient withdrawals in retirement. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Consistency beats intensity. Tiny, repeatable habits, automated savings, monthly budget check-ins, and quarterly account reviews compound into financial independence. The goal isn't austerity, it's freedom to choose. Start with real numbers. Run your salary, TFSA, compound interest, and rent versus buy scenarios at mycalchub.ca. The calculators are free, private, and built for Canadians. No sign-up required. Plug in your actual pay, your real rent, and see the long-term impact of small changes. It's a simple way to turn blunt truths into workable plans. If you're tired of feeling stuck, hit like and subscribe. Future videos will dive into exactly how to tackle each of these 7 truths: budget rituals, beating inflation, mastering TFSA RRSP moves, and practical investment setups. The link to the calculators is in the description. Build wealth, live free.